I bet you didn't know human evolution could be this fascinating. The story of how we came to be is filled with twists and turns, and it's more exciting than any adventure novel. Imagine a journey that spans millions of years with countless species evolving, adapting, and sometimes disappearing. It's a tale of survival, innovation, and incredible resilience. Let's dive into it with some 3D visuals. All right, future doctors, let's start our journey from the very beginning. Around 6 million years ago, our story begins in Africa with the earliest human-like creatures. Meet Australopithecus. These guys were the first to walk on 2 legs. Pretty cool, huh? Imagine the African savanna, a vast expanse of grasslands and scattered trees where these early hominins roamed. They were small, with brains not much larger than a chimpanzee's, but walking upright gave them a significant advantage. It freed their hands to use tools and carry food, and it allowed them to see over tall grasses to spot predators. Next up, Homo habilis, the handyman of our history. They were the first to use stone tools, marking a big leap in our evolution. Talk about handy. These tools were simple, just sharp-edged stones, but they were revolutionary. They allowed Homo habilis to cut meat, crack open bones for marrow, and even shape wood. Now let's jump to Homo erectus. These folks were the real adventurers, spreading out of Africa and discovering fire. Imagine the first campfires lighting up the night. Fire was a game changer. It provided warmth, protection from predators, and a new way to cook food, making it easier to digest and unlocking more nutrients. Homo erectus was also the first to have a body structure similar to ours, with longer legs and shorter arms, making them efficient long-distance walkers. They were the first to leave Africa, spreading into Asia and Europe, adapting to new environments and challenges along the way. Fast forward to Homo neanderthalensis, our robust cousins who lived in Europe and Asia. They were tough and very skilled at making tools. Sadly, they went extinct about 40,000 years ago. But they left behind a rich legacy of survival in harsh climates and complex social structures. Neanderthals were not just brutes, they had a culture. They buried their dead, cared for their sick, and even created art. Their tools were sophisticated, including spears and scrapers, and they were skilled hunters, capable of taking down large animals like mammoths. And finally, we arrive at Homo sapiens. That's us. We've been around for about 300,000 years, creating art, developing languages, and building civilizations, all thanks to our big brains and social skills. Our ability to communicate and work together has allowed us to achieve incredible things, from building the pyramids to landing on the moon. Our journey has been marked by innovation and adaptation. We've developed agriculture,